Alright guys, so if your OBS Studio is going blank on the display capture, it looks like this, and no matter what you do it's not working, I'm going to show you how to fix it really quick. I'm not going to get into why it works, you can look that up elsewhere, but here's what you do. So you go and you want to minimize, you can actually refresh everything, go to display settings, scroll down to graphic settings, hit browse, and you would want to find your OBS Studio wherever you have it saved in your computer and add it. It'll be here, you'll click on it, go to options, and then you'll want to change it from whatever it is to power saving, from either high performance, system default, whatever. Put it on power saving, hit save. It works for whatever reason, I don't know. Refresh again, and then everything will work perfectly fine. So you can just exit out of OBS, restart it, and this should be right here. Everything should work perfectly fine. You should go from this to this. So if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.